Okay, moving on. So far, I've got item 1 done and item 2 done. I'm picking a vertical layout, and I've picked my background, and I kind of got it the color I want and the darkness I want. I'm going an image. I picked my opacity to be 41%. Because again, full was just too much. It'd be hard to have a photo or text be able to be seen on a dark background. So I found about 41% worked for what I liked. 41%. Or 40. Alright, 40 is good too. Next, 3. Add a photo of myself somewhere on there. Crop out all the unneeded stuff. It says if you want, use your faced photo. I already got one. Let's do that. I have to go to File, Open Image. And mine is in my downloads. Mine was called E. There it is. And it's the wrong direction. To turn it, you do what again? Remember? Image, rotate, and I want to spin mine opposite way the clock spins, so it's counterclockwise 90. There it is. And I can't see it, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit and zoom in. I can go bigger here if I want, so you can see more. And this little slider below the picture is zoom. I can zoom in a little more. Too much. So I want to have just my face, not the background, just my face. Says to use the cropping tool to cut out all unneeded background. Okay, let's do that. The cropping tool is right there. And I want to kind of click and drag and just kind of get just my face in there. I can adjust it if I want to. I'm looking at these windows here. I got enough above my head, below my chin, beside my head. I think it's a pretty good cropping of that. If I click outside my picture and I want to say yes to it, it cuts everything else away. There it is. So now's your chance to make your face, how you like it. Maybe you want to brighten your teeth a little bit. How we do that is we're going to pull the color off by sponge, and I want to desaturate, take away. I could take some of the color off these guys. Look at that. I don't drink coffee. I just drink dark juices like grape juice, cranberry juice, beet juice. They add up time. There we go. Look at that. I like it. Perfect. If you want to make your eyes a different color than they are, that you can do too. You can zoom way in. And to make your eyes a different color, what you could do is I'm going to use a paintbrush tool. Now I'm going to pick maybe a more vibrant color of blue and okay it. And if I just went and painted on here, it'd be pretty obvious. So instead, here's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to add a layer. This little page here, add layers. Here's my original picture. I'm going to go add a layer. Okay. And I'm going to title it here, eyes. Okay, now watch. I'm going to paint right on my eye. How does it look? Awful, right? But just wait. Just wait. Just wait. I'm going to paint this right on my eye. Okay, now watch. Opacity. Let's back way off on that blue. How's that? Then zoom out. Weird, huh? Here's full power. Awful. Back way off. Hey, not so bad. So you can definitely tweak your eye color if you want. Maybe you want to go one red, one green, one blue, one orange. Up to you. Maybe you want to be a little more comical and say, you know what? I want to make maybe one tooth go away. Where's your tooth at? Not here. Tooth is here. So instead I'm going to do is make another new layer. Title this one. The key, as long as the layer is above your original picture, it'll apply the item to all things below it. On that layer tooth, it's hard to read because it's a bad item. Here we go. Oh, tooth, there it is. And I want to use the color black paintbrush. I just want to take one tooth out. Just color it out. And now if I zoom out, that's better. Maybe not. I can turn that light off. Okay. So now bring your face in. I have to go to. Okay, hold on. Because I have 2 layers. I have three. I have an eye layer, a tooth layer, and a background layer. Okay. If I go to edit, select all, edit, copy. I'm just going to leave this on. I'm going to go to my new ID photo and I go edit, paste. What happens? Watch. Edit, paste. Why just that? Do you know why? I'll show you why. Watch here. Back to my face. Because my current layer, I said, hey, only take this layer called tooth. Select all of it, copy all of it, paste all of it. Okay? If you want to have this whole thing be one finished product, I have to go layer, pick the one called flatten image. Flatten image. It takes all your layers, smushes them down to one ingredient. Now it is what it is. It's like taking a blender, putting in some apple slices, maybe some peanut butter, maybe a little bit of strawberries, some milk. Until it's blended, you can still pull strawberries out, pull apple out, dump the milk out. Once you blend it, it's now one solid smoothie. Now it's been blended. This is one solid smoothie. I can't fix it or adjust it. It is what it is. Now if I go to edit, select all, edit, copy, switch over to my ID photo and edit and paste. There it is. Again, it's too big. How do you fix that? Edit, free transform. Can shrink. And I want mine to be maybe, I'm thinking mine's going to hang from like a lanyard around your neck. So I have a little hole here cut. On my photo to be maybe bottom half, top half. Maybe put the school name here, school logo here. I'm not very sure where to put it yet. So I'm going to get it kind of where I want it. Get it size I want. Okay. And then if our intentional goes, look to the gaps, meaning, look to the gaps, meaning over here, hold on, zoom down. You see I have this gap between my border and my picture, border and picture. Make it look consistent, make it look even. If it were not in the right spot, it'd look kind of off, wouldn't it? Or too low, look off. So the eye can kind of tell if it's right or not right. To give your picture a little more of like it sticks at part of the image. What if I go to right click, pick the one called layer styles, and maybe I pick maybe no outer glow, no bevel, no inner shadow, no drop shadow, no. I don't like those. I don't keep it as is. There should be one. Same one. Cancel. All right, hold on. Okay, so I've not found what I want to find. But anyways, to make my picture a little more like it's part of this whole package here, I'm gonna add another layer. I'm gonna put this one for now in front of my face, and I'm gonna name it face outline. Watch here once. I'm gonna use a rectangle tool. I'm gonna put a box over my face, like the exact size. I'm gonna pour some paint in that. I'm gonna pour white paint in this box. In this box. All right, so you can't pour paint on air. So again, I have my outline drawn. I'm going to go back down to my background layer, and I'm going to duplicate or copy. Let's go copy. Did that seem to do it? Let's find out. Nope. All right, never mind. Scratch that. Okay, face is in, face is ready to go. Maybe a little outline would be nice around this. Now I was trying to go for to get like a sorry, here it is. Yeah, select the zone of the screen. That's what it was. I'm sorry. Okay, on my background layer, I'm gonna go to edit, copy, scroll up to my face, and go edit and paste. There it is. Okay, because I took and I cut or copied a square of white, and I'm putting it on top of my face. I'm going to bring this layer below. Oh, this is not fun because it's so small. I got to bring my face. Where's my face? Face is nope, that's that one. I got to bring this below. Bring it below my face picture, and it's so hard to see because I have a bigger screen than I got. Hopefully won't be as hard to navigate. So that's my background. I go up a teeny bit. Where is it at? There's my face right there. Got it. I'm gonna bring this one layer up. There it is. Okay, back to my new white creation. There it is. And go edit, free transform, and I can add a little bit of size to that square to kind of give the appearance of that I have a border around my picture. Yes. Now it is in. All right. Do you have to have a border on your picture? No. Does it make it look a little more like tied into your overall thing? Maybe not. If I don't like it, can I go delete it off and have it be gone? Yes. So my picture is in. It's ready to go. I have that part done. Okay. Work on some of this this font stuff next time, and then do everything else on Friday. And good luck with your next updates today.